Mabait yan. Ay.
Ako yan ay.
Pitbull yan, pitbull.
Oh, dear Ate Char. Ikaw daw kakanta.
Nakalika ka dito na.
Gusto mo, hawakan ko yung barbecue mo?
Hindi.
Akin na yung barbecue mo.
Sacrifice na daw siya tumuloy.
Para matapos na.
Okay, sabay-sabay natin kantahan ang ating birthday celebrant. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday.